Hello, it is Dr. Renda. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create animated synthwave landscape in Blender. Delete default cube and light and add new plane. It will be our sun. Add subdivision surface modifier. Now we are going to create procedural material for sun. Change blend mode to alpha hashed. Add texture coordinate and mapping nodes. Then wave texture and another one mapping node. Finally, one more wave texture and connect to alpha channel. Now black colored areas will be transparent, while lighter will stay visible. To create waves on sun, we will use the same method that we used when we were creating a spiral for green portal. Add combine XYZ and connect previously created wave texture and mapping node next to it. Now darker stripes of first wave texture will shift stripes of second one, creating waves. Add math node for more control. Did you know that in Blender you can animate nodes without timeline and keyframes? Just type #frame. It will pass a number of current frame. You can even execute some math operations. Add color ramp to rid of gray parts. The last thing is to paint the sun. We will make it with another mapping node, gradient texture and color ramp. That's pretty nice one, sun. Let's create a ground with glowing grid. Add plane. I almost forgot that the sun shines. For ground material, add new texture coordinates and mapping nodes in shader editor. Then add brick texture and plug it to alpha channel. then duplicate mapping and gradient texture. Mix those nodes. Now the part of plane becomes transparent. Duplicate mapping and brick texture nodes. And mix it with previously created. I wanted to make effect of disappearing tiles. To animate it, you should change coordinates of both brick textures synchronously. The last thing for this procedural material is to make grid glows. At this moment I was confused a little, why does nothing work? But finally, I found that Isha is round mix type. It have to be darkened. Now it looks really great. We are going to create silhouette of city, another plane. And don't forget to change blend mode. For this part, you will need a city image texture that I created and put a link in description. When the silhouette settings are over, let's go forward and set world properties. By default, its color is gray, but we can paint it in way we want it. And we will make it with gradient. An orange to blue transition looks cool. Do you feel those 80s Miami vibes? Now imagine driving fast, low-poly car. I will not emphasize creating of low-poly car. I think it's a topic for special tutorial or a few. Okay, when modeling is over, we will create some materials for vehicle. Paint it red, cause red goes faster. I also set special materials for tires and back window. Let's make car moving, because it looks unrealistic when it drives straight. Open Graph Editor. Create one keyframe at first frame. On the right side, open Modifiers and set Noise modifier for each coordinate. Now, driving looks more realistic because it's impossible to move straight all the time. You can also try this modifier on rotations. In the next part, I'm creating a palms by the side of the road. Honestly, I don't think that this part was necessary, but I missed something on the sides. Anyway, it was created the same way as the city silhouette and animated. Image texture is also in description. At the end, I add a cube in front of background and set volume scatter for material to create blued background in the distance. And tail lamps. That's all for this tutorial, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe please. Bye!